Hello and welcome to this introduction video. In this video, we are diving into CapCut, the powerful and easy to use video editing tool that's changing the way content creators produce stunning videos. Now, CapCut is a free video editing app available for both mobile and desktop users. It's designed to simplify video editing while offering advanced features to help you create professional quality content. Now, in this video, we are going to learn 1. Basic interface introduction and every tool's explanation. 2. Creating text-to-speech video using CapCut. 3. How to edit a video in CapCut. 4. How to use text templates for videos. 5. Using voice changer filters for videos. 6. How to input voiceover to video files using CapCut. 7. Making a video using different elements of CapCut. So, what can you use CapCut for? Whether you're editing a YouTube video, making Instagram Reels, or creating TikToks, CapCut has you covered. You can add text, transitions, effects, and even voiceovers to make your videos stand out. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, whether you're doing simple edits or working on more creative projects. Now let's talk about the benefits of using CapCut. First, it's free and packed with premium features that allow you to create high-quality videos without breaking the bank. Second, it's user-friendly with a straightforward interface that makes it easy to edit even if you never have done it before. Plus, CapCut offers a range of creative effects like speed controls, chroma key for green screen, and text-to-speech, perfect for creating captivating content.